Young speedcubers are dominating cubing, and here's how. Yiheng Wang, who has been setting recent world records and consistently delivering astonishing averages. His achievements show the potential future of young cubers dominating speedcubing. How does Yiheng compare against world-class cubers like Max and Timon? In an interview, Yiheng Wang told his practice routine, which consists of 1 to 2 hours per day, in a stark contrast to Max and Timon's rigorous 4 to 8 hours daily sessions. It's like comparing a part-time hobby to a 9-to-5 job. Also, Yiheng said it took him a year to break sub 10 barrier, 6 months to reach 7 seconds, another year for sub 6, and a year and a half to achieve sub 5 times, which is 4 years in total. Yiheng Wang had advantage of having a coach, which accelerated his progress. In contrast, Max and Timon, both 21 years old, began their cubing journeys at the ages of 11 and 13, respectively, highlighting the importance of starting at a young age. It took both of them 4 or 7 years to break the sub 6 barrier, but they did so with fewer cubing tutorials and a smaller cubing community. Yiheng abolished Max and Timon's averages and their singles in competitions with his consistent sub-5 singles in recent competition. The pattern shows the significance of starting cubing at an early age. The early start provides the time needed to learn skills and practice new techniques, which is proven by all world-class cubers who began their journeys before middle school. For those who are not yet achieving sub 10 times, remember that such proficiency is rare. In 2018, approximately 1% of WCA cubers were sub 10, and while this number may have increased slightly since then, it still remains a small percentage. The upcoming young generation of cubers probably will be starting their journeys at ages 5 to 7 because Leo Beremio and Yiheng Wang are starting at that age. In China, a young female cuber achieves a sub 10 average at just 6 years old, beating the improvement speed of Yiheng Wang when he was 6. This trend is expected to continue as competitions open up in mainland China, bringing in a new wave of speedy cubers. These young cubers' lightning fast progress lies in their brain's high neuroplasticity, enabling them to fix mistakes and bad habits quickly. Moreover, they have the luxury of time and fewer life stressors because of their young age. This allows them to focus more on cubing. This is not exclusive to cubing. We see a similar pattern in other games and sports like chess, where chess prodigies like Bobby Fischer and Magnus Carlsen started their journeys at a young age, setting the stage for rapid growth, which is much more challenging to replicate later in life. So what does this all mean for the future of cubing events? As competition intensifies for 3x3, we can expect to see the emergence of new and exciting events like solving a Rubik's Cube brand 3x3 or other inventive challenges. The takeaway from this is if you're looking to improve in cubing at an older age, you'll need to manage your time more effectively, explore diverse practice and learning techniques, and learn cubing efficiently. The young cubers have set their records, but there's always room for growth and improvement for cubers of all ages.